Stacy, do you see this fab in Arizona as sort of a hedge against any kind of China conflict? If you do, is it a good one, considering that they won't be building the most or manufacturing the most advanced chips?
Well, I mean, it's a hedge in the sense, and I think it's a good thing to diversify the supply chain somewhat, and that's the whole point of the CHIPS Act and everything else. At the same time, you have to put these numbers in context. Like, they sound very big. They're actually not very big. So 600,000 wafers a year by 26 is like 50,000 wafers a month. TSMC has well over 1 million wafers a month of installed capacity today, and they'll have even more by 2026. So it's like a low single-digit percentage of TSMC's entire install base, which, again, it's fine. Like, you got to start somewhere. But I just want to, like, sort of put that in context. Yeah. At the same time, it is in some sense important. Taiwan is in an increasingly sort of like untenable geopolitical, environment over there, and the world is effectively dependent on Taiwan for leading edge semiconductors, and so you got to start somewhere. Like, any beginning to this, I think, is helpful, and so I think that's the whole point.
Right, but obviously TSMC is still a Taiwanese company. What about Intel? Where is Pat Gelsinger in terms of his plans, his ambitions to manufacture chips also here in the United States?
Yes, I mean, he's also building a factory in Arizona. He's building a packaging plant in New Mexico, and he's also building, a complex similar to what TSMC is doing in Arizona. Pat's and Intel's going to build that in Ohio. And so the Arizona site, I think, for TSMC ultimately can support something like 6 fabs. I think the Ohio complex for Intel, they're going to supposedly start with 2 fabs and eventually could go as high as 8. And I think Intel's talked about a $20 billion initial investment. It could go as high as $100 billion over a longer period of time. We're going to see more and more of this. But I mean, at the end of the day, like, if you want leading edge manufacturing in the U.S., there's only 3 companies that can even try to do it. It's TSMC, Samsung, and Intel. We've got TSMC and Intel for sure. Building out over time what could be large complexes.
So, Stacy, what it comes down to, I take it, is execution. Can Intel actually execute at the high level that they're promising with the leading edge semiconductors that they say are going to come out of these fabs? Because if they can, and they're in the U.S., and relatively speaking, it's not a huge supply, so it's not necessarily going to contribute to global oversupply, particularly at those process nodes, then it would be successful. But the question is, hey, TSMC and Samsung have a track record at doing this on the foundry level, and Intel does not.
And so, for example, look at who's at the announcement with TSMC today. It's actual customers, right? And so this is the important thing. You don't really want to have to, like, dig a hole and throw $20 billion or $40 billion in or whatever it is and then sit around and wait for customers to come around.
Well, but Intel has said that AWS, right, and Qualcomm, they've thrown in and said that they'll be there.
No, they didn't. So AWS is packaging, and Intel's building a packaging plant in New Mexico. They actually do have very good packaging IP. In terms of everything else, we've got names in a spreadsheet, right, for Intel. It's like, oh, yes, we'd be interested in exploring. And by the way, anybody that needs leading edge manufacturing capacity would be interested in exploring Intel as a source. Anybody would want an alternative source of leading edge capacity because you don't have a lot of other sources. At the same time, whether or not Intel can do it, I mean, call me in 5 years. I don't know. But TSMC, if they can build these factories here in the U.S., they'll have customers to put volume in there, like, guaranteed. I'm convinced of that. Like, you've got Apple, you've got NVIDIA, you've got AMD. I don't know who's going to be in these Intel fabs, like, if and when they actually build them. I don't know. Call me in 5 years.